Could you use more traffic? Well, of course you could. Everybody could. After all, traffic is the lifeblood of any business. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to tell you how to get some really, really easy traffic. And I'm going to give you 3 brand new courses that you can use as lead magnets or whatever you want, really. I'm also coming up my review of autumn traffic. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can perform successfully. Well, me by my Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the shop, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that my jokes, they're stale. Even my cat is running away from me because she doesn't want to listen to my stale jokes anymore. Yeah, I know, Daddy's jokes are stale. And pretty soon, hopefully, you'll have a human brother or sister to have to put up with my jokes also. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, right, here's 2 things. Review software and products to make money online niche. And why was this such a thing in my ask? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't buy much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, Bart, you started this whole thing a long, long time ago. You started this, and now you need to stop, okay? Enough of the crap. It drives me crazy, that guy, all the time. Yakety, 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 crap. You'd think you'd get a life. But seriously, if you are new to the way things work, if I like the product, I will give you a tip of my hat to the product creator. If you don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos about online mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. I mean, I see Liz, she is a sweetheart. I love Liz. You know, who can get angry at this lady, you know? Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for autumn traffic. This is my friend Dawud. Dawud is one of the biggest names in the make money online industry. And I'm going to show you, by the way, how to get this actually for $9.95. It sets you $12.95. I'm going to show you how to save $3, get it for $9.95. Very, very easy to do this. But I'm not going to just do that. I'm also going to give you, well, something really, really cool, which I've never, ever done before. So I am right now, right after I finish making this video, I'm going to be recording 3 brand new videos. Okay, the first brand new video is going to be how to get completely free targeted traffic. Okay, and it's not what Dawud is showing. That's something else he's going to give you. I'm going to give you my own solution for completely, totally free targeted traffic. All you got to do is request it, and it's completely free. You get targeted traffic straight to whatever you want. You can even send it directly to an affiliate offer. You can send it to your website to collect leads, whatever you want to do. Yeah, this video is going to show you exactly how to get this completely, totally free traffic that you don't have to do anything for. You don't have to pay anything for it. Okay, you're going to get it completely free. Now, in addition to that, I am also going to give you my brand new video, which I'm about to record, on how you can get paid for what you know without creating a product and without getting any affiliates. No affiliates, no products, no traffic, none of that stuff, and you still get paid for what you know. Okay, and my third video that I'm going to be giving you completely for free as a bonus when you pick up autumn traffic from me, I'm also going to teach you a brand new method for making money off of Facebook without having to spend a penny and without ever having to own anything. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do all 3 of these things in my brand new videos that I'm going to give to you totally for free when you pick up autumn traffic from me. Okay, but if you pick up any upgrade, I'm also going to give you my course on LinkedIn advertising. This is a course that I recorded but didn't publish. There are, I think, 10 videos in the course. So it's a full-fledged course, not just a one-off video. You're going to get that if you pick up any upgrade worth at least $20 from autumn traffic. So let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick over here. You can see here how it works. It's very, very simple. Basically, all you're going to do is send in your URL that you want your traffic to go to, and they will take care of everything for you. They're going to they're going to set up a rotator so that they can send traffic to your URL as well as to other people's. It's all automatically done for you. Very, very simple. And of course, they are going to include a bunch of bonuses here. They have Tiger traffic, Ducky dollars, commission blueprint, lockdown formula, and dolphin dividends, all included totally for free for you when you pick this up. And again, I'm going to try to get for $9.95. Basically, all you're going to do, go to the sales page, try to exit. Let's go ahead and reload the sales page real quick so you can see. Okay, when you try to exit, it's going to say, hey, get a $3 discount. Okay, make sure that pop-ups aren't blocked. I'm going to click to get your $3 discount, and it's going to be $9.95 to get this from them, totally included with everything that I told you about. Okay, my cat is back. She's actually excited now because she wants to know about the free traffic also. Oh, so let's see if I'm going to go ahead and give a tip my product creator or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously. You demand, okay, this is really good. I really do like this a lot. Dad always puts together great stuff. My cat agrees. The man behind me agrees. Grab this, you're going to love it.